So we're going to use Excel to compute a ratio of the number of people arrested for drug possession um, to the number of people arrested for drug sales in these Florida counties that we have in the data set here. Notice that the first row contains data for the entire state of Florida. We'll need to keep that in mind in a few minutes when we do a ranking and sorting task. All right, so let's start with a column heading. I'm just going to call this ratio. And now I'm going to write a formula. I'm going to start with the equal sign. And here I'm just using the arrow keys on the keyboard to navigate around instead of the mouse. I'm going to come over here and take the number of people arrested for possession and divide that by the number of people arrested for sale here. And just hit enter. And now I want to copy this this formula down the column. I'm going to grab the mouse now and right click and choose copy and highlight the cells that I want to copy that formula to all the way down to the bottom. Right click and choose paste, and there I've got my ratios. Now they have lots of numbers after the decimal point. I'm going to clean that up a little bit just by highlighting the whole column and right clicking and choosing format cells. And let's go with number here and maybe go with 2 decimal places. That'll just make things a little cleaner. There we go. All right, now the next thing to do is to produce to sort these data and then produce a rank. So let's go ahead and sort them first. Now remember, this first row is the data for the entire state of Florida. So we might want to exclude that from the sort. So what I want to do is start down here with the first county and then just highlight the county data and then choose sort and custom sort. And let's sort by, let's see. Now notice that since we're excluding the state level data from the sort, we need to uncheck this My Data Has Headers box so that all of this will be included in the sort from this county on down. And I'm going to have to use just the column names to guide me when it comes to setting up the sort rather than the actual labels up here. So I want to sort based on column E. That would be the column here with the ratios in it. And again, I'm going to sort largest to smallest, I think. I want the largest ratio on top. That's what's newsworthy here. And that should do it. I'm going to click OK. And there we go. Now the last thing we probably want to do is produce a ranking. We've done this before. I'm going to start with the county with the highest number of arrests for drug possession versus drug sale. Start with a 1 and then a 2, and then as you've seen me do before, just use the mouse to highlight that pattern and drag it down the column. There we go. And the county we're looking at is Brevard County, and it looks like they are 7th on the list in terms of the number of arrests for possession versus sale.